welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your student leads to your database. And yes, this is true, you can do this without any manual intervention. So any coaching you are running, this automation can be very helpful for you because maximum coaching classes use Google Ads to collect the details of your leads. Alright, so first of all, we can use Google Ads, Facebook lead ads and many more, another application to collect the lead details. But the main point is, like, if we receive the lead details, the leads get lost or we can't nurture them properly. So what you can do is, whenever you're going to receive a new lead, automatically you can add that lead details into your Google Sheets. Alright, so we can add the details in Google Sheets, but this is a pain point to copy and paste this detail. So what we have to do is, we have to create this automation where we're going to create the connection between Google Ads and Google Sheets in such a way that whenever you're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the details of that lead will be added in your Google Sheets. So over here, what you can do is, automatically the details will be added in your Google Sheets and your sales team can directly open this Google Sheets, check all the lead details. This will save you from errors, save you a lot of time, and also skip this tedious process to copy paste the details. Alright, so in this video I use Google Ads to collect the details of my own students. If you want a video dedicated for another application like Facebook or Instagram lead ads, you can ask that in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. Alright, so if you also want to create this automation, first of all, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your database, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. And also over here, you can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch our YouTube videos, you're one of them and you're going to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So what you have to do is, you just have to try Pabbly Connect first, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase it. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window to create this automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. Now search for the application using which we're collecting the lead details, which is Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads right over here, and I'm going to select Google Ads. Alright, so I'm just going to search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we're going to receive this webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. And in this campaign, I've added this lead form and we're going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, just scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. Open this. For the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, enter the key right over here and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds and you're going to see Pabbly has captured this phone number, email address, first name and last name. Now you have two options. The first option is you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option which you have is you can create this automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too, like I'm going to do. You just have to close this and click on this add new action step for the action application. Search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. After we select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permission it is asking for because my data is 100% 100% safe with Pabbly. And with this, we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. And now we have to select the spreadsheet right over here, and then we have to select the sheet 2. Now one by one we have to enter the details, but we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map the details, you have to put a slash and then look for the detail you wish to map and select it. After you map all the details, click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details have been added right over here, be it the name, email, or the phone number. All the details are added right over here. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this Google Ads, automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. And now the major pain is solved. Now my sales team can directly open this Google Sheets and contact the leads. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that the discount coupon code and the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.